Students, myself Jabin, Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at third semester. We will discuss the topic right to education as fundamental rights. What is fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are incorporated from Article 12 to 35 in the third chapter of the Indian Constitution's. Rights are the basic facilities which we need for our growth. These are the claims of individuals recognized by the society and enforced by the state. The existence of democracy cannot be imagined without fundamental rights in India, because right are the pillar of democracy. Okay, why do we call these rights fundamental? These rights are incorporated in the third chapter of the Constitution of India. They afford a basic for the development of an individuals and the people, and official of India are ought to enjoy these rights. Nature of rights: fundamental rights are equal for all. Rights are justiciable, Article 32, and fundamental rights are not absolute. They limit the authority of the central and state governments, and fundamental rights distinguish between citizens and foreign nationals. Okay. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. Equality before law, Article 22 to 14 provides that the state shall not deny to any persons equally before law or the equal protections of law within the territory of India. Right to freedom, protection in respect of convictions of the offense, Article 20, and protections of life and personal liberty, Article 21, and right to education, Article 21A. Right against exploitations, Article 23 to 24. Provisions of traffic in human beings and forced labor, Article 23. This article prohibits the traffic in human beings and forced labors. Okay, and prohibitions of child labor, Article 24. Children below the age of 14 years will not be allowed to work in factories, mines, or in other dangerous places, so that their health is not adversely affected. Right to religious freedoms, Article 25 to 28. Freedom to profess and propagates any religions, Article 25. Freedom to manage religious affairs, Article 26. And freedom not to pay taxes for the promotions of any particular religions, Article 27. No religious instructions in government's educational institutions, Article 28(1). And in private education institutes, religious educations not against the will, Article 28(3). Culture and education rights, Article 29 to 30. Protection against interest of minorities, Article 29(1). And freedom to get admissions in education institutes, Article 29(2). And right to minorities to establish educational institutions, Article 31. And no discriminations while giving grants, Article 32. Right to constitution's remedies, Article 32. Article 31(1). provides that the citizens can approach the Supreme Court of India by due process of law for the implementation of the fundamental rights included in Chapter 3 of the Constitutions. Article 32 the Supreme Court of India has the right to issue right in the nature and the habeas corpus mandamus provisions, etc. Article 32 3 the Indian Parliament can empower any court to issue notice within its jurisdiction without infringing or influencing the power of the Supreme Court of India. Article 32 4 the state cannot suspend the right to constitutional remedies except in cases provided in the Indian constitutions. Okay. Critical evolutions of fundamental rights: no rights outside the constitutions, too many limitations, preventive detention and fundamental rights. Right can be suspended during emergency and absence of economic rights, and vague and complex language and special concessions for minorities and backward classes are against the principle of equality. Importance of human rights: foundation of democracy, check on the arbitrariness of the government and create proper conditions for the development of man, fundamental of rule of law and establishment of secular states, and protection of the interest of the minorities and reconciliations between individuals' interest and social interest. Okay. Union list and education articles. Article 62 National Library, Indian Museum, Empirical War Museums and Victoria Memorial will run on central grants and will be considered as national properties. And Article 63 Banaras Hindu University, Aligarh Muslim University, Delhi universities and other institutes under Parliament's Acts are considered as national institutes. And Article 64 all science and technological institutes recognized by the Parliament are considered as national institutes. Okay. Union list. Union agencies are the following institutions. Article 65 the training institutes of military and parliamentary forces and technical institutes of crime control boards. And Article 66 research institutes of research institute of science and technology of higher education. Article 67 ancient monuments and archaeological sites. Okay. Next, state units. Article 11 all educational institutes including in the list of Article 63 64 65 66 will run by the aid of state governments. And Article 12 library, museum, historical sites, monuments including in the Article 62 and 67 will be maintained by the states. Concurrents list. Articles 23 economic and social planning. Article 25 vocational and technical institutes. Article 26 law, mechanical and other professions related. Article 27 government aids and aiding agency. And Article 39 newspaper, books, journals and printing industries. Article 40 archaeological sites, city sites expect the sites declared by the Parliament as national property. The center state relations. Article 22 245 and 300 in the part 11 and 12 are related to the center state relations. The Parliament has the power of legislate any part of the territory of India. Parliament has a power of extraterritorial legislation. That means Union Parliament will govern any person, property and Indian subjects anywhere and the world. Okay. Expansion of the legislative powers of the Union for the sake of national interest and under the proclamations of national and or financial emergency on agreements between states or on cons- consents of state legislatures to implement treaties. Okay, performing the relations. Thank you, students.